So let's have a look now at some layer control. Again, I'm only going to touch the surface here. We could go into lots and lots of depth on layer control. I don't want to bog you down with it. The whole idea of this AutoCAD Mechanical 2010 Basic Concepts course is that I teach you the basic concepts. It's then up to you to go on and learn further and obviously build on your AutoCAD mechanical expertise. So let's have a look at our layers here. We're in the Home tab on the ribbon. There's our Layers panel. I'm going to click on the flyout and pin the Layers panel open like that. Now we're going to look at various options here. The first thing we're going to look at is obviously the Mechanical Layer Manager. Now if I click there, you can see that there's our layers. There's various layers here. Now you'll notice there's some layers grayed out. These are specifically for parts and non-plottable objects, as you can see there. So you've got layers like AMINV, which is invisible. So that's things that are behind existing objects, for example. I might need them as a reference. Now you'll notice, can you see there, that we've got a non-replicated layer, and it's actually off at the moment. What I'll do is I'll OK that now. I've got some layers that are set up, such as AM Invisible, and what happens is you can switch them on and off. So if I go up here, I've got viewport layer on off, but here I've got invisible lines on off. So they're now on, and I can snap to those if I want to. I can then switch them off again when I need to. These are tools that aren't in your standard AutoCAD layer toolbox. They're very useful. Now another one is one that I really like here, move to another layer. So if I click here, it says select objects to move to another layer. You'll notice the invisible objects appear immediately in case I need to move them to another layer. I'm not going to, I'm actually going to move this line here and this line here. I'm then going to right click to confirm, and now I can specify that new layer using an object, a layer field, or if I just use the keyboard and press return for the dialog, it'll take me into the Mechanical Layer Manager. I'm going to select that line there, that polyline, and as you can see, they convert to that layer. Nice and quick and easy and productive, as you can see. So if I go back to that now and click again, select the two objects I want to change again, like so, and then right click and select this object here, they go back to the layer they were on. So you can see they're useful tools that just make you that little bit more effective, that little bit more productive. So for example here, look, I've got reference layer on off. I've also got construction lines lock and unlock. I've also got construction lines on off, parts on off. I can also restore the previous layer settings. So if I keep clicking that, does anything happen? No, it doesn't, because I haven't changed any layer settings. I can also unlock the layer of a locked object layer very quickly, and I can also lock. So if I lock now and select the object on the layer to be locked, if I click on one of those there like that, you'll see they sort of fade a little bit. That's the layer settings. They're now locked. If I want to unlock them, I can quickly go here. Notice the little lock symbol, but as soon as I click, they become a bright color again and they're unlocked. So there's all these layer controls available to you. They're going to make your life so much easier as you work through your AutoCAD mechanical drawings.